Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where the dogs run rampant and yeah, we talk about our plants and we try to learn about our plants so that they grow the way we want them to grow. If you are a plant lover, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So, I started bringing some plants home because I'm moving back home from school at the end of the semester when I graduate. And yeah, so I started doing that. I did not film the packing of the plants that I brought home because I do not recommend you pack the plants the way I did. I was very lucky I didn't hit any big bumps or potholes or have to hit on the brakes for that 7-hour drive back home. And all the plants came okay. I think I lost like a max of like 5 leaves. So I'm gonna flip you around. I'll show you the bin that I had the plants in and I'll explain like how I packed them, but like don't do what I do. And then I'll show you the plants and how I have them set up. Alrighty. Alright, so the first thing is this was the bin I had, and I literally kind of just stacked my larger Hoyas on top of each other with the Princess and the Queens on the bottom and then the Curtsii, Wyetii, Australis, and Linearis on top. I did put my compactas, my large compactas, on the back seat in my car. And like I said, I was lucky I didn't have to slam on the brakes or hit any potholes that would have jostled the stuff around. So this bin was just like kind of put into my trunk, and then I started driving. So yeah, but how I have these plants set up so far. So I have a compactor right here. This guy, look at that. I guess the drive stressed him out. And we're gonna have another bloom, another peduncle. One of my other compactas over there, you see like that little pink spot? That's an old bloom. They're starting to die off. So yeah, I have this compactor right here, doing very, very well. And then I have my Curtsii, looking good, looking good. I'll bring you over. These 3 spots are going to have a Lacinosa, an albo-marginated latifolia, or the macrophylla previously called, and a Chelsea. I just didn't bring them home this time. So yeah. This is the other compacta, doing really well. We'll get an up close on the spent blooms. This is what they look like after they have fulfilled their blooming cycle. And then we just got these guys. These are little art pieces done by Nikki Gunning, artist Nikki Gunning. I think they are so cool. I love her art. You should go check out her stuff. She also makes planters at nikkigunning.com. Definitely something to go check out. That's me. And we're over here with my other compacta. I have not seen any blooms or peduncles on this guy yet, but we're still hoping. We do have a bunch of new growth, and again the dogs are running. And then over here we have my Linearis, doing really well. It looks beautiful. I'm so excited. We did lose some leafage right here, so I'll probably like cut that, maybe propagate it, or just leave it. I have seen like leaves like sprout from the nodes. The dogs are playing with their toys, so I'll leave it for a little bit, see if that's what these strands decide to do. We have some new growth right here coming in, and then we have another piece of art from Nikki Gunning. I'm gonna move this either down or on this wall. I haven't decided yet. We have my Wyetii. I just saw somebody's Wyetii. It was huge and luscious. It was beautiful. I can't wait for this guy to get there. We do not have any peduncles still on here yet. And then this Bertonier, which I recently bought. He's been here. He hasn't left this corner, but he's doing good. He's putting out new tendrils and new growths. So yeah, everybody else is still doing good. The Scindapsus are doing well. Those I was the most nervous about. the pothos. I still haven't found the Baltic blue or the gold, the green global. Yeah. And then we have the philodendrons are doing well as well. But what I wanted to show you, what I was really excited about, was this, my skylight. I have my 2 queens and my 2 princesses up here. They're like diagonal of each other. And yeah, the boyfriend helped me put up the little screw in, the eye screws, whatever they're called, so I could put these hooks in. And yeah. Now I'm definitely gonna need to like keep a step stool handy so that I can water these guys. But yeah, I'm excited. These guys do have peduncles from last year. I believe all 4 of them bloomed last year, or at least 3 of them. I know I definitely had, I believe both of my princesses bloomed and one of the queens definitely bloomed. I'm not sure if both did, but I have really high hopes that these guys are gonna do good. I gotta get the step stool to reach these dead leaves. But yeah, so the first part of the move back was a success. And yeah, well, we're just gonna take things slowly back here because 1, we have time, so we can do that. And yeah, I don't want to stress out the plants, stress myself out. But yeah, and we have the little wild ones, and Blaze is by the front door, and little Kit Kats right here hanging out. So until next time, guys, relax, plants, and peace out.